welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of long division. So to start off, we need our little key. So it is D, M, S, B. And this stands for, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? I know, it's funny. We have McDonald's in our math. So we will be using this. This is step 1. So I'm just going to write step 1, step 2, whatever, 3, 4. Okay. Now, because I've gotten that written down, we're going to go into our problem. So, is 4 divided by 1, sorry guys, I am just crazy this morning. So, can you do 1 divided by 4? No. So we're gonna have to do it by 14. But we don't have 14 in our times tables. So we're gonna think about the closest number to 14 in our times tables. So let's think about that. 4, 8, 12. 16. Because after 12, it's 16. So I think we should do 12. So whatever it is, we've got 4, 8, 12. And I have a 3 on my finger, see? And so I'm just going to write my 3 above my 4. Because that's how it's supposed to be. Now we have to multiply. Because we just did division. Can you believe it? So now we have to multiply 3 times 4. Okay, so let's think about that. 3, 6, 9, 12. So it is 12. Now we're on to subtract. So because we got that 12, we want to put our 12 right here. So we have our 12, and now we have to subtract these. And 14 minus 12 is 2. So with that 2, I'm just going to write it right here. And then we have to bring down. Because we've done our subtraction, here is our subtraction, and the B stands for bring down. So we want to bring down our 4. And which number do we have? We have 24. So with that 24, I'm just going to start over. It's kind of strange that we have to start over. I know, guys. We do 24 divided by 4, and that is 6. So we're just going to put our 6 up here. And then, just to be sure, we want to do 6 times 4. So 6, 12, 18, 24. And then we want to subtract 24 minus 24 gives us 0. So there is no more to the problem. We just figured out 144 divided by 4. So I think we should do one more problem. So we're going to do one more problem just like this. So we're going to do one more problem, and we're just going to get started with it. Let me write my little key. Okay, now we are going to get started with the problem. Let me think about this problem. So what could we do? So we're going to do 144 divided by 8, okay? It's sort of like the other problem, but we've changed this number to 8. And we're just going to figure this out. So, can we do 1 divided by 4? What? I'm thinking back at the other problem. Can we do 1 divided by 8? No. So, what we're going to do is use this 14. So what is, remember how we have to go to the closest number to it? We go 8, 16. Wow, we just passed it. So 8, and I have a 1 on my finger. So I'm just going to write this 1 right above here. Now we have to multiply. So 1 times 8, what is that? 1 times 8 is, drumroll please, 8. So we're going to put an 8 here because we need to subtract now. So now I'm going to figure out 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. Okay, so we have 6. Now we're going to bring down our 4. And I always like to make this arrow so that whoever is looking at this knows that I'm bringing down the 4. So I'm going to put my 4 right here. And now we have to start from the beginning. So we're going to have to go back to the beginning. So when we're back at the beginning, we need to divide. So 64 divided by 8. So 64 divided by 8, I think is 8, because we know our fast facts. And so now we've got our 8 up here. So we've solved the problem. Now we need to do, what is 8 times 8? That is 64. Now we need to subtract again. Not a 0. So now we know that we've solved our problem correctly. So now we know a little bit of how to do long division. I love you guys. Bye-bye. Please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And bye-bye. I love you guys. Have a good weekend and bye-bye.